Hi guys, welcome to Into My Shoes. By the title of this video, by now you must be knowing today I'm going to do my unboxing for this month's Fab bag, which somehow looks like this, which is a very fabulous bag, one of the cutest bag I have received this year, and it's like in light blue and all floral and nice. You can use it as a clutch. Like with every bag I used to give you options that you can keep your jewelry into it, you can keep your makeup essentials, you can keep your sanitary napkins, you can keep use it as your intimate bag. But this one I'll suggest you can just carry it as a clutch and you are good to go with maybe a maxi dress, a casual jeans, sneakers, and a clutch. So yeah, this one is one of the cutest. I hope you guys like it, and it's very pretty bag. So let's just dig into the bag and see what we have for this month. So as usual, we have received few of the cards which are something like this. One is the contest card that we usually get every month. So yeah, and then this is the personalized card that we get. So it has all the details of the products that we are getting in this bag. So here it says, dear Swati, have fun trying this out. And this month's bag is the spring kissed. Okay, and that's why this is so floral. I like the concept of this bag. So the first and the super product of this month is this lipstick, which I have chose myself. If you are a subscriber for longer term, you get to choose this lipstick and its color. So it is a manna lipstick. You get an option either to choose from lipsticks or crayons, and both of them retail for 1800, like 1799. So yeah, I chose for a lipstick because I like the colors. I wanted something in chili red color and I got it in lipstick. So the good thing is at the end of the lipstick you'll get a pot of the color which is like this. So this is the color. I hope my camera is working and you can see. So this is the color you're gonna receive. Like I chose this one, you can choose any other color too. So this is the first and the super product for this month. I'll go to the next product, which is aloe vera and rose gel product. I don't know if my camera is focusing. So this is how it looks, and the good thing is it is like wherever you'll get aloe vera product, it will be lightly green in color, which I just do not get the concept, because when you will see the natural aloe vera gel, it has absolutely no color. It is transparent. So I don't know why people put extra color to it. So this is how it comes. It is a bit like a very light pink in color. That's because of rose, and it's very light, like very light. This is the another packaging that we get, and then we can open it. I'll sniff it for you guys. So yeah, it has a strong fragrance of rose, and like there's something else too, I don't know. I will look for. Okay, so it has aloe vera and water and rose extracts and essential oil and permitted colors. Okay, so it has a strong fragrance of rose oil. So yeah, that it is wild rose oil. I am really excited for this one to try this out. Let's see how it goes. If I like this product, I'll definitely make one separate video just to review this one. This is really nice, and I don't know. Okay, this retails for ₹50 and this is a full size product. So moving to another product is a lip scrub, and although people use lip scrub mostly in winters because they feel they have more flaky lips during winters, but I will suggest you to use a lip scrub on a regular basis irrespective of which kind of weather it is, because like our face, our lips also need regular care and pamper, as it is the most delicate skin it has. So yeah, so I'm glad I got one lip scrub in the variant watermelon. And yeah, let's see how it is. Rest it This product retails for 200 rupees and it is also a full size product. Moving to the another one and the last one. This month's bag has like 4 products. So this is a gold mask, and trust me guys, the whole Instagram is mad over these gold lip and eye masks. So I'm really excited to have my hands on these eye masks, although I was expecting a lip mask instead of this one. But yeah, I have got this one and I feel I'll try. And the way it's looking, you can see the liquid over somewhere over here moving. It's like there are some extra serum which can be used. So yeah, I'm super excited and happy about this month's bag. And this one retails for, I don't know. Okay, we'll check it from the card as I cannot get it from there. So this one also retails for like 200 rupees. So that's it for this Fab bag. So yeah guys, that's it for this month's Fab bag. I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon in my next. Till then, love you. Tata.